Okay, I'm gonna send you about 150 to 200 listings that you're going to do on Poshmark. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna send you the login, and then once you're on Poshmark, to the right, it's gonna say create a listing. So you're gonna put the picture. For the title, you're gonna copy the title. You're not gonna include the thing that says free shipping. Instead on each listing you're gonna put dash and put two listings for $12. Every listing will get the same description. I'm gonna message it to you. And then category, home accents, decor, quantity, you're actually gonna set it to, let's say, 5. And then new with text, yes. Add to boutique, no. No brand. For colors, you could do black for all of them. And then for price, all of them 99, and then for price it's going to be $8. And then for sale, and then that's it. I don't know what the issue is. Maybe it's something on my end with the internet, but and then you just post it.